Candy Floss and we will start. So, what your experience has been with this? How you got to know about Candy Floss? So, I think Candy Floss is one of the cutest store you can ever have here. And it's always a delight to come over here because you can just get your inner child out and you just explore and you can buy stuff. The only thing I feel it's a bit pricey, but that's fine. You know, the things are very cute over here, so you can just buy it and all. And also, we got to know about Candy Floss online. Like, we're just searching for some cute stores, and Candy Floss just topped the list. So we were like, find it again. That is so cool. So, you guys are regular customers? We are regular. First time we went there. And after seeing this, we lost our mind. We are like, ये भी लेना, ये भी लेना. In a shout out. So if you guys want, if you're a hooker, if you want extremely cute stuff, definitely come to Candy Floss. It's one of the greatest stores. You can come and visit. Aesthetic. If you like aesthetic, if you are an aesthetic person, definitely visit. And yeah, that's it.